In the realm of digital currency, Litecoin has emerged as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Born from the mind of Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer, back in 2011, Litecoin offers a faster, more efficient alternative to Bitcoin. This digital silver operates on a decentralized peer-to-peer network, mirroring Bitcoin's functionality, but with a twist. It boasts improved transaction times and employs a unique hashing algorithm, setting it apart from its golden counterpart. Litecoin presents a compelling opportunity in the world of digital currency today. Litecoin operates on the principles of blockchain technology, like other digital currencies, but with a few key differences that set it apart. But first, let's dive a little into what blockchain technology is. It's a revolutionary system that links together blocks of transaction data in a secure and anonymous way. Each block is a ledger of transactions that, once confirmed, is added to the chain. It's like a public digital ledger that's virtually tamper-proof, ensuring the integrity of each transaction. Now, what makes Litecoin special? For starters, it has a faster block generation rate. This means that Litecoin can confirm transactions at a much quicker pace than its counterparts. If you think of it as a highway, then Litecoin has more lanes, allowing for more traffic to pass through efficiently, therefore reducing congestion and making everything move much faster. Furthermore, Litecoin uses the script algorithm for mining. Unlike Bitcoin's algorithm that requires advanced hardware, script allows for a higher degree of parallel processing. In layman's terms, this means that more people can mine Litecoin simultaneously, making it more accessible to newcomers. It's like opening the door to a treasure trove and inviting everyone in. So, in essence, Litecoin is a more efficient, user-friendly version of Bitcoin. It's designed to be faster and more inclusive, making it an attractive prospect for those interested in the world of digital currencies. Let's consolidate what we know about Litecoin. This digital asset, often referred to as the digital silver, was created with the aim of improving upon the limitations of Bitcoin. It employs blockchain technology, a decentralized public ledger system that records all transactions. The standout feature of Litecoin is its speed. It offers faster transaction confirmations compared to its digital counterparts. Litecoin also boasts a more accessible mining process. It uses a different algorithm that allows a wider range of people to participate in the creation of new coins, making it a truly democratic digital currency. Furthermore, Litecoin's acceptance as a payment method by various merchants around the globe is continually growing. This, coupled with its potential for scalability, makes it a promising digital asset for future growth. Litecoin, the digital silver, is not just another cryptocurrency. It's a promising digital asset that stands out for its speed, efficiency, and accessibility.